Hey everybody, this is a real quick video in case you have QCY T17 Bluetooth wireless earbuds and you need to do a hard reset on them. Now you might want to do this hard reset for a couple of reasons. The first reason is troubleshooting if they are not pairing with your device or they're not connecting to your device, or if you're only getting sound out of one ear, out of the left ear or the right ear. A hard reset to factory default settings can fix a lot of these issues. Another reason is if you just want to have it forget all the devices that it was paired with so that you can start fresh with a new device and re-pair it to a new device, we can go ahead and do that. All you need to do is put the earbuds inside the case like so and leave the lid open. They should be set in so that they can be charging. And then we're going to come behind with our fingers and we're going to touch and hold the buttons on the back of both earbuds simultaneously for 10 seconds. And when the white indicator light flashes 5 times, that will indicate that the reset is complete. We can take our earbuds out and pair them as a new device.